Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how much you can earn with the JoyaGoo affiliate program. To begin, visit the official JoyaGoo website at joyagoo.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and look for the affiliate program link. Click on it to access the affiliate fact page. Here we can find an article about how the commission system works. JoyaGoo offers a tiered affiliate program where you earn a percentage of the shipping fee whenever someone you invited completes an order. When someone signs up using your referral link, they become your affiliate. Once their package is delivered, JoyaGoo credits you with a bonus based on the shipping fee for that order. The base commission rate is 4%, and as you invite more users and earn more points, your rate increases. The levels are Basic, which earns 4%, Bronze, which earns 5%, Silver, which earns 6%, Gold earns 7%, and finally, Platinum, which earns 8%. To give you a practical example, if one of your affiliates pays $50 in shipping fees and you're at the Silver level, you'll earn 6%, which is $3 for that one order. The more affiliates you have and the higher their order volume, the more you earn. These bonuses can either be withdrawn once they meet the platform's minimum threshold or used to offset JoyaGoo service fees. And that's how the JoyaGoo affiliate earning system works. Thanks for watching.